So one of the first YouTube videos I made was about exploring nature and just exploring the world by yourself. And I've realised I haven't been doing that as much lately, so I thought, why not just come by myself to Glenrock? Because you need nature. Like, I can skate every day, sure, that makes me happy, but I'll still have that longing feeling that something's not right. And it's because I need to reconnect with nature. You know, just walking along, hearing the bird calls, just all the sounds of nature, and just the sun on your skin, just everything. It's beautiful. It's definitely made me think that I need to do this a lot more often. When I think about why I haven't been in nature as much lately, I think it's just, video games and social media and all the distractions of the modern world. And it's crazy how, I don't go in nature for a couple weeks, and I notice my mental health really suffering. And just, going to the beach yesterday and coming out here today, I already feel like 100% better. It's really so important to just be out in nature. I think one excuse I had to not come out and be in nature today was that I'm working later. But when I really thought about it, I'll probably be happy at work, perform better after coming out and just being in nature and just being relaxed. It's actually good for your physical health as well out here. Just getting the steps in, and if you want to go for a walk, why not do it out here?